Good morning, my name is Laura Alejandra Suárez Tovar. I'm from 8th grade from Nogales Country School, and I will present you my final project of biology that is for reproduction in mammals.
Introduction. There are around 4,381 species of mammals in the world. The percentage is for 12.21%. Examples of mammals can be humans, tigers, polar bears, cows, and sheep. All of mammals have asexual reproduction. For this is necessary the presence of men's sexual cells, spermatozoa, and women's sexual cells, ovum, for realized. To understand the anatomy of the reproductive system of different groups of mammals and of the remarkable difference between them, it is necessary to know that embryonic development takes place independently in both body halves, one being the mirror of the other, in addition closely related to that of the urinary system. Except for the monotremes that are oviparous, all mammals are viviparous, and fertilization is always internal, which requires the male to insert the erectile penis into the female's vagina through the external opening known as the vulva. Anatomy. Now, as you can see, we are seeing an image of the male reproductive system of a horse and a female reproductive system of a cat. Is the same reproductive system, but varies of the size of the mammal. The horse is bigger than the cat, so his reproductive system is bigger. The reproductive apparatus of mammalian females is very similar to the general scheme. The ovary, infundibulum, and oviduct do not present significant difference among mammals of the commercial use. The uterus presents variations because it will be adapted to the number of offspring in each species, so the females of the pigs are qualified to have an average 10 pups per delivery, but the most frequent cause is a single offspring. Parts and functions of the female reproductive system. Vagina is an elastic muscular canal with a soft, flexible lining that provides lubrication and sensation. The vagina connects the uterus to the outside world. The vulva and the labia form the entrance, and the cervix of the uterus produces into the vagina, forming the interior end. Cervix attaches the vagina to the uterus, is approximately 4 centimeters long, produces a mucus that aids in carrying sperm from the vagina to the uterus. It's compounded by the body, fundus, and listhmus. It's a well-lit organ located in the pelvis anterior to the rectum and posterior superior to the bladder. Fallopian tube. Receive the ovulated oocyte and provide a site for fertilization. Fimbriae. Sweep oocyte into tube, cilia, and peristalsis, move along sperm-rich oocyte. Mons pubis, fatty pad over the pubic symphysis. Labia majora and minora, folds of skins encircling vestibule where find urethral and vaginal openings. Clitoris, a small mass of erectile tissue. Ovary is a ductless reproductive gland in which the female reproductive cells are produced. Male reproductive parts and functions. Testes produce male sex hormones, are located between the seminiferous tubules. Scrotum. The principal function of scrotum is to protect the test, consists of skin and subcutaneous tissue. Epididymis. Sperm that leave the testes are immature and incapable of fertilization. Ova. Spermatic coat contains the proximal ductus deferens, testicular artery, and veins lymph vessels. Duct system. Sperm cells pass through a series of ducts to reach the outside of the body. Ductus deferens. A fibromuscular tube that is continuous with the epididymis. Ejaculatory ducts. Each ejaculatory duct passes through the prostate gland and empties into the urethra. Penis is a cylindrical pendant organ located anterior to the scrotum and functions to transfer sperm to the vagina. Has 3 parts: root, body, and gland penis. Biology of reproduction. A fundamental component of the evolution, behavior, and history of mammals is based on the dedication that females place in the care of their offspring, beginning days 1 even before the eggs are fertilized. All females experience some form of the estrous cycle in which the ova must be prepared and ready to potential fertilization. Hormone regulate changes in various aspects of female physiology throughout the cycle and prepare the female for fertilization, gestation, and lactation. In this diverse animal group, many reproductive strategies can be observed, and the patterns. Environmental factors as well the physiological and social requirements contribute to the pattern of reproduction found in any population or species. Differences in these factors between species have led to the diversity of traits between mammals and their life forms. Mating and social behavior. The relationship between individuals of both sexes or reproductive purposes knows several situations in mammal species. One of these can be polygyny. It is the most frequent among these animals and consists of the mating of a single male with different females in the same reproductive season. These scenarios give rise to intense competition among males in many species, exhibiting the potential of females to choose them to bear their offspring in this way. The genetic potential of the dominant males, better prepared to face the changes of life, will be better exploited, being able to bear as many offspring as possible, who are supposedly better genetically endowed, while females can devote the effort to the gestation and lactation of offspring. The drawback is that many males will not have descendants throughout their lives. 2. Polynandria. Both males and females with multiple individuals of the sex throughout the breeding cyst. This is not very frequent and occurs among some species of primates, among them some nomads. 3. Monogamia. It consists of the pairing of a male and female that will last at least the entire reproductive season. It is not very frequent among the mammals, being estimated in about 3% of all the species. Some of them, like the orca, seem to show this behavior. 4. Polyandry. It consists of a single female that males of the colony. This type of social relationship is manifested by colonial insects, and among mammals has been observed in naked motion rats. The female reproductive acts as a queen, as mates with the males of the colony, preventing the reproduction of the rest of the females that will be taking care of their young. Time of pregnancy in some animals in days. Parakeet 18, mouse 21, rat 22, rabbit 32, hare 42, hedgehog 48, cat 60, dog 63, wolf 70, lion 110, whale 370, horse 350, and human 270. Example: pregnancy in humans. Month 1. During the first month, the head of the baby, brain, spinal cord, lungs, and heart begins to develop. Month 2. During the second month, The baby's organs, muscles, bones, arms, and legs start to grow, and his face too, but his body is more big. Month 3. The baby's arms, hands, fingers, and feet are formed, and the baby can open and close his hands and mouth. The nails start to grow, and the ears are formed. The reproductive organs are growing, but it's so difficult to know the sex of the baby. Month 4. The facial characteristics of the baby are completely developed. Now he can smile, yawn, and do many faces. Now it's more easily to know the sex. Month 5. The baby has fingerprints, eyebrows, eyelid, and lashes. He can eat 3 fingers. His hair is start to grow. Month 6. The baby can listen and answer your voice and music. His gums are growing, and he can open his eyes. Month 7. The baby is changing of position with frequency and respond to stimulus like sounds, pain, and lights. His skin is red. Month 8. The wrinkles in the skin of your baby start to fill up with fat. His lungs are developing, but all of the organs are developed and completely. The major of the baby start to prepare upside down to born. Month 9. The baby is ready to born. So finally, I will give you curious data of the mammals. It's so interesting. 1. The tongue of a blue whale weighs the same as an elephant. 2. A lion is able to mate with the same female 100 times in a day. Oh my god. 3. The howling of a wolf can be heard 95 kilometers away. 4. As a fingerprint, the pattern of strips is unique in each specimen of a tiger. And 5. The hedgehogs see only the yellow color. That's so pretty. So thank you for watching my video. It's for a school project of biology. Be nice.